Are you aware of these secret WhatsApp tricks? WhatsApp has been such an important part of our lives these days. We use it for hours daily to keep in touch with family and friends, and we even use it for work. But despite using it every day, there are still a lot of secrets left to be explored. We've compiled a list of 15 WhatsApp features you've probably never heard of. Do you want to prove us wrong? Watch until the end of this video. Number 15. Your top contacts. Surprisingly, you can also determine who among your contacts you speak with the most. This only works on Apple devices though. This can be done by going to Settings and selecting Account and Storage Usage. You'll see a list of all your WhatsApp contacts and groups, along with the total number of messages you've sent and received for each. Who is your favorite person to talk to? Number 14. Changing font style. Many people are unaware of this, but you can easily change the font of your WhatsApp messages if you want to. Simply type this symbol 3 times before and after your text message, as shown. Don't get it mixed up with this symbol, okay? There is only one font style available at the moment, but it's still pretty cool, right? Sadly, this feature is only available on Android devices, but if iPhone users want to give it a shot, you can always copy and paste it. Number 13. Emphasizing messages. This is one of WhatsApp's hidden features. You may use bold, italic, and strike-through to make your messages stand out. The process is almost identical to the one used to change the font. Put an asterisk before and after your message if you want it to be bold. You can send italic messages by placing underscores, and you can also use tildes to make your message strike through. Moreover, you can combine these symbols by using 2 or even all 3 symbols. Number 12. Muting a contact or a group chat. There are times when someone just keeps annoying you on WhatsApp with endless messages. We've got a solution for you. You can simply look for their chat, click on its name, and select mute. You may choose to turn it off for 8 hours, a week, or even a year. You can pick depending on how annoying this person can be. Don't worry. You can still go back later to catch up on all of the messages you missed. Number 11. Hiding your personal information. There are times when we have to use WhatsApp to communicate with people we don't know. For instance, work contacts or people we'd like to know more about from dating websites. However, putting your personal details in public isn't exactly safe. WhatsApp, thankfully, anticipated this. Simply navigate to Settings, then Account, and then Privacy. You can choose who sees your profile photo, status, and last time you were seen on WhatsApp from this menu. This definitely makes me feel more secure. Number 10. Switch off the auto-saving feature. WhatsApp saves every image and video you've ever received. This can be annoying, since you have to constantly delete unwanted files that your contacts have sent you. As a solution, you can go back to Settings and select Chat, then turn off the Save Incoming Media option. Isn't it great? Number 9. Add events to your calendar easily. You can type a certain date on your message, and once sent, it'll appear as a hyperlink, and you'll be given the option to create an event in your calendar. So without leaving WhatsApp, you can organize adventures with your friends or family. You can also write a day of the week to use this function. Let's take Monday as an example. Unfortunately, this only works on iOS users. Number 8. Quickly message a WhatsApp contact from your home screen. We all know you have someone you talk to all day. So if you'd like to quickly access your WhatsApp conversation, you can simply link their chat to your home screen. This only works for Android users. Simply tap and hold on a conversation, click the ellipsis at the top right of your screen, then select Add Conversation shortcut. This way, you won't have to scroll through all of your chats to message this favorite person anymore. Number 7. Look back on your old WhatsApp messages. There are times when we want to reread old messages. Maybe look back on the start of a relationship, or to remind ourselves why it ended. Either way, You can always back up your history on iCloud for iOS users, or Google Drive for Android users. For iPhone users, simply select the chat, click on the contact's name, and you can send the backup via email. If you're using Android, go to Settings, select Chats and Calls, and then tap on Chat Backup. There you have it. You'll be able to read all of your previous messages. Number 6. Send your loved ones a huge, beating heart. Are you feeling a little shy and ran out of words, but you still want to express how big your admiration is for someone? Simply send them a red heart without any other emojis or words. Surprisingly, it transforms into a large, beating heart. It would surely brighten your loved one's day. Number 5. Bookmark messages. There are some messages on WhatsApp you might want to bookmark or save for later. It may be an important reminder or simply a good night message that ensures you sweet dreams. There is a simple trick for iOS users. Simply double tap a message you like to reveal the star symbol. You'll later find it in your contact information, where you'll have a starred messages option. Number 4. Let Siri send your messages for you. It's likely that some iPhone users know this already, but for those who don't, you can use Siri to send WhatsApp messages. Simply say, "Hey Siri, send a WhatsApp message to," and then name the contact of the recipient and leave your message after. It's a pretty handy feature on lazy days. Number 3. Check the exact time someone read your message. This excellent feature is compatible with both Android and iOS devices. Simply hold any of your messages that you like, select Info, and there you go. You'll be able to see when your message was sent, as well as when it was read. Number 2. Disable message previews. By default, WhatsApp shows all of the message content on your notification. However, some curious people may read them if you leave your phone lying around. This has been foreseen by WhatsApp, so you can simply choose to disable the message previews. Just go to Settings, Notifications, and then disable the Show Preview option. Now, you don't have to worry about leaving your phone at your desk, since your messages are secure. And lastly, number 1. Read your messages, but keep them unseen. A lot of people don't know this yet, but you can read messages on WhatsApp without letting the sender know you've seen them already. You can do so in a couple of steps. First, do not open the message right away when you receive it, and dismiss the notification. The next step is to enable airplane mode on your phone, which disables your mobile internet or Wi-Fi connections. You can now open your WhatsApp message after that. There you have it. If you'd like to fully disable the blue ticks or seen feature, just go to Settings, then Account, and then Privacy. You can turn off the Read Receipts option there. How many of these tricks were you aware of already? Do you know any more WhatsApp secrets that weren't on this list? Feel free to share in the comments section below. Don't forget to hit the like button and share this video with your favorite WhatsApp contacts. Click subscribe for more videos like this.